So the patient came in with her teeth looking like this. As you can see, the front teeth are very worn down and broken, and it was extremely unaesthetic. So the patient wasn't really happy with their current smile. So the first thing that we do is we took an impression of the teeth and created what we call a wax up or a design. So this is a 3D printed design. So we take the impression on the computer and then we fabricate what we see is the most ideal smile for that patient, and we would use this as a temporary for the patient when we remove the old bridges and give her a provisional, which is what we call a temporary restoration. This is what a temporary restoration looks like. It goes on the whole teeth, and this is what the patient was wearing for a week while the laboratory was fabricating our final bridges. So we took an impression of the teeth and it looks kind of like this, and then the laboratory made the bridges according to these preparations.